Did you know that you can embroider with Stahls heat transfer vinyl? Instead of doing just direct embroidery or applique with twill, you can substitute with any of our heat transfer vinyl. And we're here at Stahls DFC in the embroidery department so that we can show you just how easy it is to create these looks. And we have an embroidery expert here with us, Lynn, to show us how. Let's get started. We already have the garment hooped and loaded on the embroidery machine, so we're going to start with the placement stitch. This is going to work as a template for where we will lay down our heat transfer vinyl in the next step. Once the placement stitch is complete, we're going to use spray tack on the back of our heat transfer vinyl and then lay it right over top. The product we're using is known as cad-cut glitter flake. We've already removed the carrier from the vinyl, so all we're working with is a single layer of glitter heat transfer vinyl. Now we're going to do the tack down stitch. This is going to ensure that the material remains in place, then complete with the finishing stitch. Once the finishing stitch is complete, this has now perforated the material, allowing us to rip away the excess. This is going to leave glitter flake inside of all the open areas of the embroidered text. Now, all we have to do is cure it with a heat press and then remove the backing. Quick and easy. Now I'll take a close-up look at the finished product. So in less than 10 steps, you can add more depth and dimension to your embroidered designs. Now glitter flake isn't just the only HTV compatible, so to see what other vinyls that will work with this process, check out the links in the description.